Hey guys, I am so excited to be diving into my kitchen for my next purge-tastic project. And it's a little overwhelming. Honestly, I do pull things out here and there where necessary, but it could really use a good thorough once over. And by my kitchen, I mean everything from what's on the countertops to what's in the drawers and cabinets. Including my pantry, which continues to be a mess. But we'll get to that on a different day. I thought it's a slightly overwhelming project, just a little bit, so start with something simple. Start with something manageable. I'm gonna do a junk drawer takeover today, and I'm basically just gonna clean it out. I think the location of it and the general organization of it still works just fine. But this should be quick and easy. I should be able to whip this up real fast. Whip this up? Whatever. Get through it really fast. And hopefully it'll give me that boost of confidence that I need to then attack the more in-depth areas like my cabinets. And I need to kind of figure out what I want to do with my countertops, because I want them... The appliances kind of work where they are right now, but there's one particular part of my kitchen, the counter, where it's just like, it's a catch-all for stuff, and I hate that it is, and I need to re-envision that and kind of figure that out. And I think getting a handle on the mudroom will help that as well, because I could make dedicated space for things like that in the mudroom. But that will be the next project after the kitchen. So let's spend a little, I think the next few videos will be kind of kitchen centric, and then I'll head over to the mudroom and do the rest of the main areas of the first floor here. And that's kind of what I'm looking to do in the month of April and throughout May in terms of my spring cleaning. So let's jump into the junk drawer. Get started. All right, I feel like this is crooked, but I don't know how to make it any straighter, so I apologize. This is our junk drawer. It's right at the front of the kitchen, kind of when you first walk in. Definitely, I would say, one of our most used drawers after our main silverware and our drawer we keep our knives. I haven't looked in here. It's a little bit crazy, but Don and I kind of equally use this, I would say. And if you've seen any of my previous kitchen videos, you can tell it's pretty much the same, although much messier. Now I can't get the whole drawer in one frame, so I'm going to do it in the front section and then the back section. I just wanted to give you a proper before tour, and I'm just going to go through this rapid fire. I feel like a lot of this stuff is going to stay in here for the most part, but we'll see. Band-Aids and Neosporin. I feel like I have Band-Aids on every level of my house now, because my daughter is currently obsessed with Band-Aids, even when she has nothing wrong with her. These are little frozen headphones that Cece got as a gift that she doesn't know how to wear like in-ear headphones yet. So I'm gonna tuck those away. I think there's a place in the mudroom that I'm gonna keep stuff like that for future travel. But also they're kind of out doing away with headphone jacks, so I don't know, that might be a thing we give away at some time. Well-kept wipes, definitely gonna stay in here, and my labeler obviously gonna stay in here. This is what I use to light candles on the off occasion that I do that. These went to something, obviously, but I don't know what. This one goes to these go to the high chairs that my kids use, the trip traps. So I definitely want to keep those in there, but I can put these in the toolbox, so that in another mudroom thing. So I'm just making, you can't see it right here, but I'm making some piles, things that'll stay, and then things that I can relocate. Aww, baby Jen and Don. That was our first trip to Disney World together. We were like 20, or even, yeah, I think we were 20. Babies. This can go somewhere else. I don't even know why this is in here, but that can go somewhere else. And a train schedule. I wonder if this is still good. I feel like I have the train schedule on my phone now, so this I can recycle. So I'm gonna that into the recycling. Off to a good start. This was in Don's stocking. He hasn't eaten it yet. I'll ask him today if he is going to eat it, and if not, we will just part ways with it. And then this glass cleaning and repair kit is always handy to have. We're going to keep that in here. Sticky notes I'm going to put over there. Oh, this is like a rechargeable battery for the phone. Oh, this can go in the mudroom. This I use to keep cords together
Actually, maybe I can, maybe I should use it to keep some of these cords together. Like, what are these cords to? I don't know. I might go in the mudroom. This I'm gonna keep it here. Then we have some cords, some different charging options, which, like I said, I do want to keep in here. I might actually, why not? These little Velcro, I don't know if they still sell these. I've had these for a very long time, but they used to sell them at the Container Store, and they're really great for travel especially, or just to keep cords together. I feel like some of these are specific things for Dawn. This is just a really short cord. I might ask Dawn about this one because I feel like it's a USB cord. What is this, like an extension cord? That can go somewhere else. I think we have a cord bin that can go into, and an extra power brick. Okay, this is a reusable charger. No, external battery. That's the word I'm looking for, that I know Dawn likes. Some garbage. I should probably clean this drawer while I'm in here because, oh, my business cards and some of Dawn's business cards. Yeah, I want to keep that, but that I might move into where I keep my bag in the family room. I do not know what to do with those. That might be tossed. This can go into the garage. Ah, the clipper. They sent this to me, and I think this is such a cool thing, but I've never used it. I literally have never used it in how long? I'm gonna give it away. This is a little flashlight. Cute little thing. That'd be great for a purse and a calculator. Oh, AAA cards. I should make sure those aren't expired. A really old lollipop we can throw out. Okay, let me get something to clean this with. I've just, oh, this goes to that little thing of frozen headphones. I have a feeling we can just get rid of these. Let's give these away. Okay. By the time she's old enough to figure out how to use those kind of things, it's just gonna be, all of our devices are gonna not have a jack in them. Hairbrush, essential. Can you see? You guys can see? Okay. Yeah, I gotta keep this drawer just a little more close. And then this container, what's this? Oh, hair ties. I did not know I had all these. These are going upstairs. We need these hair ties. Did not know I had these down here. Huh, okay. All right, this is all of our pens and whatnot. I keep batteries in the mudroom in a specific place. This is another eyeglass kind of repair tool thing. I'm just gonna pop it in there. It obviously got separated from its kit. Some toothpicks I'll keep in there. Measuring tape. I'm gonna keep those. Little stain eraser things. Yeah, we'll keep all that. Another Allen wrench can go in the toolbox. Some garbage. A piece of chalk. That might be essential for something, you never know. That's a little thing you can crowd cords with some glue stick. That I use all the time. These little mini screwdrivers are so handy. I'm just gonna look through these cards really fast. Oh, they're gift cards. Wow, way to forget about things. Does the Body Shop still exist? Oh, steak gift cards. I should make Dawn aware of these. These are gift cards. These are things I'm gonna show Dawn, and another thing that can go in the mudroom. Cool. That's what I use to cut the kids' nails. These are my favorite. You can only get these flown in from like Japan. These little box cutters, but they have a magnet on them. You can like keep them on the fridge. Really like that. What do we have? This seems important. a frozen little doodad. I should put that up like with craft stuff for CC to use. I like having this little dish to put the little extra, some slime that I don't want in my house, so we can get rid of that. These are all chapsticks for Dawn. Any little screws and things can go into the toolbox. Bubbles. Bubbles can go into the mudroom. Garbage. More bubbles. She gets those as like party favors, my daughter. Some electrical tape. You know what? That can go into the toolbox. We never use that. Oh my gosh, so many pens. Okay. Just gonna wipe this out while I'm here and thinking about it. These have gotten a lot of use over the years, so some of this it's not gonna look as good as it once did. And that's just what's gonna happen with it. Don't throw that out. Oops. Okay, so what can we, let's see. This goes like this, right? What can we put back in here? Okay, the pens. This is a pen that was given to CC in a little kit. I don't think we need to keep that in here. Highlighter, pencil, keep my Sharpies for sure. Do we need all these pens? Here's what happens with the pens. Dawn brings them home from work, and they just accumulate. Or he steals them from the doctor's office. And they just accumulate. Here's what I'm gonna do. We don't need all of these. And I just saw, where did that rubber band go? There was a rubber band in here. I keep all my rubber bands in a bin in the mudroom. I'm gonna send these back to work with him, because I know in the next however length of time, they'll come back to me. But at least they'll be gone for the short term. This is a pretty good start. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this out so that I can clean that part of the drawer, and now we'll go into the back section. I'm gonna wait to clean the drawer until everything is done. Sticky notes and pads of paper that oh my gosh, these are still in my drawer. Do you know how long these have been in here? In the wrap? So long. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get rid of some of the other ones that just came free in the mail, and we're going to keep those and hopefully actually use those. Good plan? Good plan. Measuring tapes in different sizes, use those all the time. I already talked about the clips, use those all the time. These are little binoculars that I use when little animals come in our backyard and I want to show Charlotte, so we'll keep that. Let's see, I'm gonna move to the other side. Hand lotions and things that I, quite frankly, usually forget that exist back here. Oh my gosh, why are there so many? I do use these things actually quite a bit. These lip products that are already in here. I'm just gonna take everything out so I can clean some random keys. And then lastly, this was one of our old knobs. We don't use these knobs anymore, so that can go. I don't know if I can give that away. These are little balloon weights and clips that if we get a balloon at the store as like a treat for the kids, sometimes they don't come with like weights and stuff, so I just like to keep those. Oh, this can go in the mudroom. I have a place for extra tissues, and we can clean this guy out. Flashlight. This is my old box cutter, and I can't get it to close anymore, and it's just not safe, so I'm going to part ways with that. These are tapes for my label maker, refill tapes, scissors, keep those in there. If we can get some of this grime out of here. I need to figure out how to get this gunk off of here. This is from when we had our kitchen remodeled and we didn't have our hardware, the poles and stuff in stock. They were just back ordered, so we had to wait a little bit for them or something. I don't know. The kitchen was done, but we didn't have those in yet. And so we had tape as like makeshift door. You know what? I bet Goo Gone would get it. All right, let's see if this stuff gets it. Anyway, it's on every drawer. So when I'm cleaning the drawers, when I'm oh, look at that. It came right off. When I'm clearing out the drawers, you know what? I just might go, since it's already on this paper towel, go down to every drawer. I need to put new nubbies on the end too, because ours have all fallen off. Sorry, you're looking at my trash can. That's gross. Okay, so look at this. Nice and clean. Clear it out. Okay, while that was drying, I went to every drawer and I just got the gunk off with the Goo Gone. And now I'm gonna fill everything back in. Like I said, I like the organization of it. It works fine for right now. I mean, it's worked fine for years, to be honest. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Why change things up just for the sake of changing them if they work for you? For me, the only reason to change an organization system is if I'm not using it in its intended way. That's how I know, you know, I might have to put the brush in here. That's how I know time for a change. Otherwise, honestly, I keep things the same, and I think that's okay. Everything back. Definitely use those wipes a lot with babies. Those boogie wipes, if you guys don't have those or know about them, they're saline. They're like wipes that are made with saline, so they get crusties off of little sensitive noses very easily. They just work really well to soften crusties and things like that. Oops, I just realized I wasn't paying attention while I was organizing to what you could see and what you couldn't see. So anyway, hopefully you got a good sense of that. Oh, one more thing that can go in. I found you. Where did you go? There. Okay. Is that everything that's going back in this drawer? I think so. So here, I'll give you a sweep of what I'm taking out, what's getting tossed and relocated, and then so I'll just, impose that footage here so you can see. So here's the final results. I have 3 piles. This is a pile of things asked Dawn about, a pile of things that need to go somewhere else, mostly the mudroom and a few things upstairs, and then a pile of things I'm going to find new homes for, not in my home. And so this is the after of the drawer. This was like a 15-minute project, give or take. Takes a little longer when you're filming things, of course, but again, did not change the organization, but I went through. This is probably something I should do, I don't know, a couple times a year anyway, at the minimum, but I just don't. But that's okay. I did it today, and that's what counts. And everything is where we know it is and where it works for us, and that's good. Super easy, and honestly, it did the trick. I feel motivated. I feel pumped. It was a really simple little project and got me excited to look in the other cabinets and drawers, and that's what I'm gonna do in the upcoming week. Is I'm gonna go through everything, and I'm gonna do it with you. Now, my videos have been pretty long lately, and I'm trying to keep everything in, but at the same time, they're getting a little ridiculous. And as we get into areas with a lot more to go through, like the kitchen and the mudroom, there's just a lot of stuff. It's gonna be hard to keep everything in. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do some more speed through kinds of videos or not, but I'll try to share with you my process as much as possible. And that's what I'm looking to do. Anyway, I'm excited. Let's work in the kitchen. Let's get this all fresh and clean. And yeah, let's dive in. I'll see you guys next purge for going through the rest of the cabinets and drawers. I'm ready. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, happy cleaning. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.